Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell NFTs from your Trust Wallet. First, understand that Trust Wallet is primarily a secure storage solution for your digital assets, including NFTs. To sell an NFT, you'll need to transfer it to a dedicated NFT marketplace. This process involves connecting your wallet to a platform that supports your NFT's specific blockchain. Once you've selected a suitable marketplace, the next step is to connect your Trust Wallet. Always ensure you are on the official website to avoid scams. After connecting, navigate to your NFT collection within the marketplace interface. You can then select the NFT you wish to sell and initiate the transfer process from your Trust Wallet to the marketplace's smart contract. With your NFT now on the marketplace, you can proceed to list it for sale. You'll need to set a price, considering factors like rarity, artist reputation, and current market demand. Most platforms offer options for a fixed price sale or an auction. Remember to factor in any associated gas fees for the listing and the marketplace's commission on the final sale. After setting your price and listing details, confirm the transaction to make your NFT live on the marketplace. Once a buyer is found and the sale is completed, the funds will be transferred to your wallet, minus any fees. Don't forget to promote your listing to increase visibility. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.